Hey guys, it's Cassie here. So I have been home for about 2 weeks now. That's been such a great vacation. We have been 5 people in a tiny room playing video games for 1.5 weeks straight. It has been so awesome. And by now everyone has gone home and I'm gonna start working again tomorrow. I'm gonna be driving a semi-trailer again. So that's gonna be really fun. Haven't been in a truck in forever, it feels like. So today we're just chilling, walking in the forest with the dogs and Zelda the cat, who apparently has to come with me on the forest walks. If I try to lock her in before I go out, she gets so frustrated, she gets so angry. Like, no, I'm gonna come with you. So when we get home I might do a live stream on Twitch again. I'm not sure what I'm gonna be playing, what game, but it usually solves itself, that thing. And maybe later tonight we might pick up bunnies. Since like the first day of the lawn party, one of my bunnies just randomly died. Her name was Praline. She was a Dutch rabbit breed. She was so beautiful, and yeah, I think she choked on something. She was a beautiful bunny. So yeah, I'm gonna buy 2 more bunnies from the same breeder, and I hope everything works out all right. Alfie, är det varmt? Viggo? Hej! Hej, bebé! Sweden is really warm right now. The animals are like on pretty low gears. Even Viggo, who is a freaking Maserati energy-wise. So I have basically not touched my video editing program in these 2 vacation weeks. It has been so nice to just chill, do things I like, and not worrying about anything. I really do love making videos, but it feels like a job sometimes, and it takes a lot of energy and effort to make videos. But I'll get back to it since I'm gonna start working tomorrow again. I'm gonna be driving a trailer tomorrow to Uppsala again. I've been there quite a few times now. Really lovely place. And yeah, it seems like I'll be working Monday to Friday, at least for the coming months. So that's nice. So these 2 weeks has been freaking amazing. We have been playing video games, we have been barbecuing. We celebrated Midsummer, which is a big thing in Sweden, where you basically celebrate the summer. The light is here and everything. But yeah, basically we have been taking little forest walks, drinking wine, gaming and barbecuing. That's been freaking awesome. It's like this January when freaking winter is here for real, when you sit in like the Stockholm traffic waiting for an accident to clear up, and you're like, what am I doing with my life? I'm gonna remember this week, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. Yeah, it's been good to just chill for a while. It's gonna be nice to go back to work. I just hope the AC works in my truck. Because the weather is hot. A lot of countries have way warmer weather than we do. It's about 25 something degrees, I think. And I think like Spain is way hotter than that. Zelda! She always does this. Ow! If I walk too fast, she just sits her butt down and starts yawning until I like wait for her or come and get her. Freaking bugs. The bugs will eat us if we stand still too long. Zelda! Come boys, we have to fetch the cat. Zelda! Viggo is like, no, I don't want to go back. We have to pick up the cat. Who insisted on coming. Yeah, we're almost home, so. Ah, there she is. Yeah. She has given up. She's like, no, I'm not walking further. Zelda, we have to go home. Zelda, vi ska gå hem. Meow. Ow. Oh gosh. I'm not allowed to carry her either. So just have to be patient. So this is why I normally lock her up before. We have a little cat door that they can enter. And I have to lock it if we're gonna go to town or something. Because she wants to come, but she does this thing. So yeah, that's my cat. My tattoo over her, by the way. Damn, I have to make a tattoo video. I promised that for about a year now, I think. So this has been like a little update on what's going on in my life right now. And I am doing so good. I'm also doing some live streams on Twitch when I feel like it, when I have the energy for it. It's really fun to live chat with the viewers and such. So I hope to see you guys there. I'm Razor Kitten on Twitch as well. So just check me up if you want. And we'll see if the cat will come eventually. So take care everyone. From Viggo and Alfie, and hopefully Zelda too. Bye guys, take care. Där är hon! Hej! Hej Bumman! She's back! I think the dogs are eager to get home now. And the lady as well.